Today I'm going to be doing a video with Mary Ellen, but I'm gonna first change her into a little more Christmassy outfit. But she is wearing like Christmas PJs. They have little penguins on them. Some of them are wearing winter hats and scarves. Some of them are in presents. Some of them are like with a parent. And then the shirt just has a number 10 and a little penguin there, and then the American Girl shirt. So I think I'm gonna put Mary Ellen in something long sleeve, some black pants maybe, with these shoes, and I'll probably add a hat with it because that was a surprise later. And this little Santa Claus shirt. This is not American Girl or Our Generation. This was just like in a store. So I picked it up because it was 18-inch size. So I just gonna take off her PJs. Pants are off. Okay. The pants are off the hanger. So I'll just put the penguin ones on instead. Okay. So the t-shirt's off. This unvelcro this. This is Velcro all the way down, so it's very easy to put on and off. So I'm just gonna put it on like that. Stick it in the closet. So I'm gonna put on the pants first. So they're just some plain black leggings. They can really go with anything. They go with black, can go like with any color, but I think the only color black doesn't really go with is purple and blue. But this is like a darker purple, but I've already put it on her before, so this actually is really, really cute with the pants. And since Mary Ellen Liker was the 50s girl, I sometimes do her hair like very 50s-ish, so that way she can look very Christmassy. Because if you ever saw the Mary Ellen movie, she's does it, her time of year is December, but she lives on the beach, so it's Christmas time, but she'll wear her short sleeves and dresses. Now I just have these cute boots. They're zippers, and they're really just easy to slip on and off. And then the Santa hat, the most cutest. So Mary Ellen's all dressed. But now I'm gonna open up something. It is not American Girl, and it is not Our Generation. It's still 18-inch dolls, but it's just called Glitter Girls. It's a baking set. Mary Ellen has her own baking set, but that was really hard to get, so I have the Glitter Girls one. So I'm just gonna open it up with the little sticky part in the back. Okay. Okay, this is really kind of hard to open. Okay, I finally got the sticker. Now I just need to take it off. Okay. And just rip along the top. Okay, got it open. Okay. It is open. Oh my gosh, the cup is glitter. So it looks like it doesn't just come with baking stuff, it also comes with stationery. Okay. So it has a lot more stuff than you would think. It's all very, very good. So the main thing is this little apron. It has Christmas cactuses. And they're all like lighted up. And I just think it's so cute. I'm going to see if I can get it tied on Mary Ellen's waist. Okay, so I have it tied a little. Okay. This is probably not going to last long, so I'm just going to open up her shirt a little and stick it inside. So the apron's probably going to fall off soon. But it also has some stationery stuff, so that's why it comes with this mailbox. And look, it even goes up. And it comes with this oven mitt, which actually, it fits Mary Ellen 4 hands. It doesn't fit her whole hand because Glitter Girls, I think they made their doll's hands a little different, so it still fits her 4 fingers. It's just that her button doesn't fit. So now we have this, so we can pretend that they're rolling out dough. And we can stick all these little cookies in. And the icing is already on there because it doesn't come with any icing pipes. So when you stick them in, you stick them in upside down. So that way it's like, and they look a little small because you need to leave room for the cookie cutters. So here are the cookie cutters. The star. So once you actually stick them in, they fit a lot better, the cookies. But they're just like trying to have the cookie cutters fit a little more easier. Okay, the stocking one doesn't fit as good because I flipped it. So I'm just going to pop all these out. So the stocking is backwards. So when I stick the stocking in, the icing will show. So, but then every other one fits. But it's just that the stocking got a little messed up. Okay, so now that's most of, like, that's the main cookie stuff. So we'll just go put that over there next to me. Now a rolling pin, so that way we can roll out the dough. Here's one of my most favorite things. It's glitter. It is golden glitter, and it is so cute. It fits in Mary Ellen's hand perfect. Now the last thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, house. This is like a cookie jar. Oh. Then I forgot about this last bag. Okay. This bag has most of the stationery stuff. That was like the baking stuff. The only thing that wasn't really bakey is the smell box. Why would you mail cookies? They would rot. So this is the stationery stuff. It has a little bakey stuff, but like this is mostly stationery. Okay, so this is a baking tray. So I'm just gonna put all the cookies in. Real quick. Okay. So the dough is a little big for the tray, but you can still like pretend that just the cookies are on there, like. Okay. So now we have this very, very decorative plate. It has like a bunch of stuff, and look how cute the little gingerbread looks on it. We have this red candy cane pen. it does not work, but look, dear Santa, my name is, I am years old. I am I think you circle or you put a check mark, and if you're a girl or boy. This year I have been nice. My Christmas wishes are, I will leave you cookies and milk, love. But then it also shows like naughty if you've been naughty. And then the envelopes. They do open and you can bend them back. And it says Santa Claus, 25th Mary Lane, North Pole. And then the second one says the same thing. And then the little spatula like this. But that is everything it came with. It came with a lot more than it looks like. So Mary Ellen is probably going to do some baking now. So bye.